So hi guys, I want to tell you a very weird incident which happened in London, like Oxford Street. So I have to tell you, I obviously you know how Oxford Street is. There are various stores around. So I got into this store Pull and Bear, and I was talking on my phone, and I just put my phone into my pocket for like 10 seconds, and I just looked at something, and somebody just went past by and just took my phone away, like right in front of my eyes. And by the time I turned, it was gone. It was gone. And then I kept looking for it here and there, and I kept asking people, and then I just realized that it's just gone. And then I went to the security, Pull and Bear, and I told them that you know something just happened like this. Can you just show me your CCTV? They said no, we cannot, against policy XYZ. And I saw this another girl standing next to me who said even I lost my phone. I said, are you for real? Can this really happen in London? And then I got really furious, and then they said, call police and XYZ. We called up police. They give a reference number and everything, but I'm very disappointed because I'm a tourist here. I come to London every year because I work at my headquarters. One of my office headquarters is here. So despite of me coming from past 4 years, this has never happened, and I got so upset about it that in the world nobody is helping me, and I'm from India. Like, how do you even tackle something like this? And then I've written emails, I don't know, there's no response. Went to the Apple store, obviously did the lost found, locked my phone and XYZ. I come here for work, decided to stay 2 days extra to just do some shopping and now my whole trip is spoiled. And I don't know, like, how is this even possible, and why is nobody doing anything about it? And I went in the evening again to check a couple of things, and I saw another girl crying and saying I lost my phone. And then I said, Pull and Bear, what are you doing? And then I went to the manager, and they said that's normal. I said, what do you mean by normal? They said pickpocketing, it's just so normal here. Like, then I told so many people in India, and I said, I lost my phone, blah blah. Everybody's like, oh, this is so normal here, this is so normal here. Like, how? If this is normal, in front of me I saw like 3 girls who've lost the phone along with me, and nobody's doing anything about it. Like, can you really help? Can someone really help? Like, I know I've lost it, but what about so many other people who might just face the same problem which I'm facing, and especially tourists. Like, your phone has everything. So I really don't know how to tackle this, and I'm just very upset, and I don't know why no one's doing anything about this.